Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Logic Pro X and adding a software instrument track. Choose Drum Machine Designer. This gives you 16 assignable pads. Load a preset or clear the kit so you control each pad's sample. Once done, set BPM and time signature and enable low latency mode when you plan to record live because latency skews feel. Make sure your audio interface buffer is balanced between CPU load and responsiveness. This first setup prevents timing issues later. Next, you design each pad. Assign samples or synth voices, then shape tone with filter, pitch, and adser to fit the mix. Use the step sequencer for quick groove building or record MIDI in the piano roll for humanized timing, vary velocity to add dynamics. Once patterns exist, layer complementary sounds, sub-bass under a kick, a transient layer for snap, and group related pads so you control volume and processing together. This gives you flexible, mix-ready drum parts. Finally, route pads to separate mixer channels so you can EQ and compress each element. For example, tighten the kick with a low cut and short compression attack. Once done, set up bus sends for parallel compression and time-based effects. This adds punch and depth without muddying the mix. When the arrangement is locked, bounce stems or the full drum track and save your kit plus patterns as presets for later. If something goes wrong, check audio routing and buffer settings first. Most issues are routing or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.